Hey guys, welcome to Wolfchase Honda. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the spare tire onto your car. If you get a flat on the road, on the highway, anywhere you go, you got to know how to do it. First step's going to be know where all your components are. On the CRV, this is where the spare tire is located. First thing you're going to want to do is remove this screw. Always twist it to the left. That's going to loosen this so you can get the tire out. And it comes straight out. I'll go ahead and set this aside. Next, we're gonna need to get all of our tools out. The first one that you'd probably get, come around here, it's in the glove box. Not all models come with this, but almost all of the newer ones do. There's one individual lug nut on this that's a special lock. You have to have the right key for it. It's usually located in the glove box when you first get the car. And these are gonna be your other tools you need. This one is your jack. And right here, we have the other tools just sitting in there. Now, the first thing you want to do before you lift the car up is go ahead and break your lug nuts loose. So leave it on the ground and get them loose at least, because if you get in the air, it's going to spin and nothing's going to happen. And these are the two tools it comes with. It comes with one to put on it and one to add leverage to it. So this is what you want to do when it's still on the ground. You want to break all of them loose. Don't loosen them too much, just a little bit. Now that those are broken loose, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is jack the car up. What the quickest thing to do is go ahead and twist this by finger to get it up to the car's height. Now, if you want to show them right here, all Hondas have this lift point right here. There's one here, the front, and on the other side in the same spots. That's where you want to lift up your vehicle because that's the strongest point on it. Now once it gets there, we can go ahead and put our hook on it. Lift it up the rest of the way. Now you put the hook into this piece. As you can see there, it's got a slot to slide over this part so you can twist it, get some leverage on it. And you just want to twist it till the tire's barely off the ground. Now it's freely spinning, it's off the ground. Now, since you already broke these loose, you should be able to spin them by fingers. Sometime you have to put the tool back on it. Most of the time you can just get it with your fingers. And now this will come directly off. And pretty much just put the spare on. It's just the same thing in reverse. First, you're gonna put it on there. And then you're gonna tighten all these by hand. Once these are all tightened by hand, you're gonna go ahead and get your tool on it. Get them just a little bit tighter than they are. You'll do the rest of the torquing when you put it back on the ground. Now we can go ahead and drop it. We're gonna put our hook back in our jack. And this time we're gonna spin it to the left to lower the vehicle. Once you see the jack move, you can go ahead and use your fingers again and twist it to the left the rest of the way. It'll be a lot quicker and easier. The last step, and probably one of the ones you don't want to forget, one of the most important, you're going to go around and tighten all these, tighten them down good so the wheel doesn't fall off, because that would not be too ideal. When tightening these, you want to go in a star pattern so it equally torques it. So you're going to start with one of them, go to the opposite one, then you're going to go to the opposite one until you finish the full star. That way your wheel gets seated correctly. And there it is. Now you're ready to go to the dealership Now just remember with these tires, they are temporary use. Don't drive long distance. They're just to get you to the shop to get another tire. I hope this helped you out in putting your spare on when you have a flat tire. Once again, this is at Wolfchase Honda, and if this did help, be sure to like and share the video. We'll see you in the next video.